Good morning, children. Today we are going to study this last chapter, chapter 14, Division Readiness. What is division readiness? What is division? When we have to divide, division means you share things equally. You have some chocolates, you want to share with your friends. How do you share it? You have to share equally. You have to share equally. Division means share things equally. Share things equally. Look at this. Can you tell how many birds are there? Yes? See, look at this. A mother bird carries 12 worms to feed her 4 hungry babies. If she gives all the baby birds the same number of worms, how many worms does each baby bird get? Can you tell how many each of them get it? Yes, she has 12. How she share these worms? Do you know? Yes, Mam bird gives each baby bird one worm first. The mama give each baby bird one worm. Yes, first she give one, one. Then what she do next? Finds that she has some worms left. When she look at her hand, she found some are left. So she again give one more. One, one, one. Again she saw some left with her. Then she give again one, one. Finally, nothing left. Then she gives one worm more. Finally, Finally, no more worms left. That means she shared 3 worms to each. She shared 3 worms to each. Then each of them get 3. When we share equally, we know how many groups are there and we are finding out how many are in the group. Okay, you look at the next examples. Here are some examples for you. Look at this. Moti has dug 3 holes in the garden to bury 6 juicy bonds. Put 6 bonds in 3 holes so that each hole has the same number of bonds. Cross out the bonds as Moti buries them. She has to bury the 6 in 3 holes. What she do? She will put first one, then one more and one more in 3 holes. In each holes one. Then 3 more left. Again she put this one in the second one and this in this one and this one in this third one. Then 6 burns shared equally in 3 holes. Each hole has 2. Each has 2. Look at the next exercise. Do you know to share 8 bananas between 2 monkeys? How do you share it? What you do? You take first one and give to the first monkey. Then second one to the second monkey. Again to the first monkey. Then second monkey, first monkey, second monkey, first, second. There are only 2 monkeys. How many each of them get? How many bananas each of them get? Can you tell? Count all the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bananas. Each of them has 4 bananas. Is it? The next one. Share 18 carrots among 3 rabbits. Here there are 18 carrots. Okay, let us start the sharing. First you take this first carrot and give to the first rabbit. And second one you give to the second rabbit. And next one to the third rabbit. Then each of them get one. Next, you have some more carrots. So you take the first one and give to the and next one give to second one and third one give to third one and this one give to first one and the next one to the next and the next one to the third one and to the next one to the fourth and next one to the second and next one to the third one and next one to the first one, next one to the next one and next one to the third one. And you look at this, you have some more carrots left. So you share, give this one to the first one and this one to the second one and this one to the third one. Then can you tell how many carrots each of them get? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it? All these 3 carrots get the same number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Each of them get 6 carrots. Each of them get 6 carrots. Okay. The next question. Share 12 sticks of sugarcane among 3 elephants. The same way you can share this with the 3 elephants. Share equally. How do you share? First one to the first elephant and second one to the second elephant. Third one to the third elephant. And next row, first one, first elephant. Second one, second elephant. Third one, the third elephant. And fourth one to the fourth elephant. And the fifth one to the second elephant. And the next one to the third elephant. And the next line, first one, first elephant. Second one, second elephant. Third one, third elephant. Can you tell how many sugarcane each of them get? Whether they get equally? Yes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of them get 4 sugarcane. Each of them get 4 sugarcane. Okay. And take the next page. The next page also the same way you can do it. Is it? You look at this. Share them equally by drawing below the pictures. One has been done for you. Just begun for you. 8 sugar cubes among 2 hoes. First you give first one, second one to the second and take the next and give to this one. How do you draw sugarcane? Like this way you can draw. And next to the next one. And next one to the first one. And next one to the next one. Then again you have 2 more left. So you share this sugarcane also. And next one to the next. Okay, can you tell how many each of them get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 12 worms among 3 fishes. Can you share this 12 among 3 fishes? You take the first worm, like this way you draw. Then second worm to the second one. Third worm to the third one. Fourth one, how do you give? You repeat first one. Next one to the second one. Then next one to the third one. And this one to the first one. And this to the third one. And this to the third one. And this to the first one. And this to the second one. And this to the third one. Can you tell how many each of them get? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of them get 4. Okay. Can you do the next one? 16 flies among 4 frogs. The same way you can do. You take first one and draw here. You can draw like this. The next one to the second one. Okay. Do it like this and complete this page. Yes. Then take your next page. Before sharing, you want to find out how many each of them get it. How do you find out? You have to take the first pastry and give to the first boy. And the second one to the second boy. And third one again to the first. This one to the second. And next one to this first. And next one to the second. And next one to this first. And next one to this second. Again some more pastries are left. So you take this one and give to this boy, and this next one give to the second boy, and this one give to the first boy, and this one give to the second boy. And find how many each of them get. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of them get 6. You have to count 6 and put in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 give to 1 boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other 6 give to the second boy. So each of them get 6. That means 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 12 shared equally among 2 friends. We get the number 6. Okay. All of you complete your textbook work. This only pictures. You count and do it. And the live session, we will explain the class very well. So all of you have to attend the online session. Okay. Thank you.